We will go inside to see and visit the bird again. Let's go inside. We'll check. Hello. Wow. How to get inside? This is the door of incredible door. Yes, I am here again. This is the chain of love. It's very heavy so that the bird will not come out. Okay, yeah, here we are. Hi birds, but this is statue only. This is a parrot. And what do you call this? Oh, so cute. Wow. You can see here a lot of birds, kinds of birds. This is their swimming pool. Oh, there is a small there. They're eating. Don't touch. It says don't touch. So no need to touch. Oh, wow. Here are a lot. Oh, you see these plants? Ah, wow. Hello. So cute. Different kinds. Always stay tuned. It's upstairs. It's too high building tower. This is the nest of the bird. Wow, beautiful plants. Is this original or no? This is original. Oh, very cute. Very, very cute. Oh, there's birds. You see this small one? He's eating fruits, kinds of nuts. Wow, there's a nest. Wow. There's a swimming pool here. So, oh, there are two. beautiful. But that one is not original. That is, it is stay tuned. The same like this one. These plants are very beautiful plants.